Let's learn about comparing positive and negative values. Interpret the inequality 3 is greater than negative 2. Describe and draw the positions on a number line. Let's draw the number line here that has 3 and negative 2 on it. So start with 0 right here. 1, 2, 3 is go past it, 4. And we want to get to negative 2. Negative 1, negative 2. Negative 3 went past it. Make it even. Negative 4. So now we want to plot these points on the number line. Let's go with 3 first. 3 is right here on the number line. And negative 2 is right there. So now we have our 2 points on the number line here. Let's describe it. They said 3 is greater than negative 2, meaning 3 is more to the right than negative 2 is, right? 3 is more to the right because it's greater than negative 2. And so we had a description there. We also would say negative 2 is more to the left than 3. That would be the flip of that up there. But here, 3 is greater than negative 2, so 3 is more to the right of negative 2. I hope you learned something here about comparing positive and negative values. And as always, thanks for watching.